I'm about to show you how I achieve this gain, how I like to trade, and why you probably lose when I win. Hey there, welcome to my channel. I'm Peter, a 19-year-old wannabe trader who is not even a millionaire yet and doesn't know how to turn $200 into 200 billion in 5 days. Nevertheless, I'm about to explain my trading strategy today using my own software. But don't worry, if you don't have it, you can do exactly the same things, but it will be less convenient. Let's jump right into it. There are two ways of making a profit for me. I initialize grid strategies against sentiment, or I initialize zone recoveries before news events. I'm going to explain both, starting with the grid strategy. But why is it a good idea to trade against the sentiment, against retail traders just like you and me? Whenever you want to buy a stock, you buy that stock from someone else, and the broker is just someone who connects you. The Forex market is a bit different because now you don't buy from individuals but from market makers. This means that whenever you want to buy euro, US dollar for example, it's not necessary for someone else to sell. A so-called liquidity provider will sell instead. The goal of this liquidity provider is to make money off of you. So if they sold and you bought, they will try to push the price down so that whenever you close the trade, the amount you have lost will be in their pocket. This is the main reason why 90+% of traders lose money in the Forex markets. But the good news is that you can take advantage of this. You just want to be on the side of the market makers instead of the retail traders. In order to do that, you have to know where the retail traders are. And for that, I use the DOM snapshots of FXSSI. This can give me an approximate of where traders stand and where they have their pending orders. Usually, a huge profit percentage means that the price is going to reverse. This is when I like to bet on a reversal. So if more people are long and the profit rate went up recently, I'll go short. If the sentiment indicates that most retail traders are short and they are in a profit, I'll go long. I usually don't expect to enter exactly before the reversal, so to secure my profit, I will initialize a grid strategy instead of just entering a single trade. In this example, I knew that most people are short on the GBP-USD pair, and many of them are in profits, so I initialized a long-only grid strategy. This way I made sure to capture the reversal. This strategy seems to work for me, but there is one thing I have to look out for: news events. News events may cause a rapid change in retail sentiments, resulting in unexpected price movements or maybe even losses of a grid strategy. But here is the good news: we are prepared for that. In trading, I like to bet on certainties. Not whether the price goes up or down, but something that is predictable. I think we can all agree that the increase of trading volume after a Fed interest rate decision can be called a certainty. We can profit from this certainty, and let me tell you how. With a hedging strategy. Hedging strategies are made to profit from volatile markets. Whenever the price moves in a single direction instead of bouncing up and down, hedge strategies can be very powerful. I like to create my own hedging strategy using my EA, but you can do this manually too. If the price goes up, we will buy. If it goes down, we will sell. If the price goes further in our desired direction, we quickly take the profits and are happy after that. If the price goes against our position, we will hedge with a trade that has a bigger volume so that we can make profits from the other direction. We basically bet on the price not going up and down X amount of times. Here, for example, I initialize a zone recovery after some news events, and even though I've missed the news events, I still thought that the market had enough volatility to make a profitable zone recovery strategy. As you can see, huge movements can be seen in the last candle, so I went short after the price went down and expected a continuation of downwards momentum. Even if it went up, I could still profit from that with a hedging trade. The only time I would lose is when the price bounced up and down between my sell and my buy levels so many times that I ran out of money to trade. So whenever you think that the price will strongly move in a direction and it will certainly not range, zone recovery strategies can be very powerful. Now I don't ask you to believe me. In fact, I want you to approach everything I say critically because I may be wrong easily. I have been trading this system whenever I had time to trade on a demo account. You can check my results for yourself with the link in the description. There is a MyFX book and a live MQL5 signal which you can copy for free. I'm happy to share some good news with you. There is now a discount on the ManHedger EA and you can get it for only $44. I advise you to check it out and don't forget to contact me after purchase for support and to receive a gift. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you want to receive more trading insights, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or topics I should cover, do not hesitate to write a comment. Peace. Come and get gang. I mean, you never get to us. Bad emotion.